Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam Bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy for May. This month's theme is Let Yourself Bloom. Use the link in my description box to sign up. The Glam Bag features a playful, abstract, oversized floral pattern with a bright pink acrylic zipper. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Korres Santorini Grape Velvet Skin Drink, the Beauty Crop Brow Friends Forever Brow Gel, UVA Violet Sponge, Ofra Long Lasting Lipstick in Pasadena, and the Kismet Lip Plumping Gloss in Baby. Now let's open Boxycharm by Ipsy. Inside we have the Silk E Leave-In Conditioner, Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream, Lys Love Yourself Eyeshadow Palette, SL Miss Glam Trio Cotton Candy Brush Set, and the Violet Voss Whispering Rose Luminous Blush Palette. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. I'm starting on skincare and applying the Korres Santorini Grape Velvet Skin Drink. This is a multitasking treatment that blurs imperfections, smooths textured skin, and replenishes skin with awakened hydration. I love products that have a dropper. It makes application so easy. My skin feels so soft, literally like velvet. Next, I'm using the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream. This is a whipped gel moisturizer. I love the texture. It's super hydrating and leaves the skin looking so nice and dewy. Now I'm setting my brows in place with the Beauty Crop BFF Brow Gel. This is a clear brow mascara. It gives a nice laminated look. Let's just hope it lasts. Now let's take a look at the Lys Beauty Love Yourself Eyeshadow Palette in Empowered. This is a 6-pan palette with 3 shimmers and 3 glitters. The packaging is really luxurious. Let's swatch it. The shimmers are a very soft satin and the glitters are super reflective. First, I'm picking up the shade called Genius. I'm stamping this in my crease and outer V, creating a graphic shadow look. It's going on nice and smooth, which is just what I want. Next, I'm grabbing the shade called Hustler. I'm applying this to the center of my lid. That is so gorgeous. After that, I'm using the UVA Violet Sponge to apply my foundation. I just wet it and now it's doubled in size. This is an antimicrobial blender that's up to 99% bacteria free. It's also mold resistant and biodegradable. I absolutely love UVA sponges. They're super soft and bouncy. Next, I'm testing out the Violet Voss Whispering Rose Luminous Blush Palette. This palette features 3 matte blushes and a highlighter. Let's swatch it. I'm loving the colors. To apply it, I'm using the flat face brush from the SL Miss Glam Trio Cotton Candy Brush Set. I'm going to use this shade here. This shade is really nice. It has just a little bit of shimmer to it and the brush is super soft as well. Finally, I'm applying the Kismet Lip Plumping Gloss. This is in the shade Baby. It's quite thick, but it's not sticky and the pigmentation is really good. Here's the finished look using products from the Ipsy Glam Bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy for May. Let me know your thoughts on this month's products in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.